You see, your upbringing matters. You went to Enugu, so there was a swimming pool in the hotel that we lodged in. I think that's a residential hotel. I've heard they call that hotel. Independence Hotel. Yes, Independence Hotel. We're an independent layout. So there's this swimming pool that was there. So while we went to go and check the hall and set up something, we're now coming back. And I saw some ladies in the pool. Me, I like to talk to ladies all the time. I always like to test my vibe to see if I'm good in talking to ladies. I want to see the objection, so I'll prepare myself. I just like doing it, to be a good child. The day I see my wife, I will not go and talk rubbish. That's how I started talking to these girls that were swimming. Then, one of the girls now swam close to me, came to where I was standing. They were talking to me and I was making them laugh and talking. And the people that were with me, they were walking slowly to see the conversation. All of a sudden, this girl dipped herself into the water. As she was coming out, the thing that she wore, whether it's bra, I don't know, whatever that is, the whole thing left. Her breast now came out. Her breast was not showing. The way you are looking at me now, her breast was looking at me, face to face. Probably, I don't know if David was there.
It was David.
Okay, you were not there. Yeah, God. They told you the story.
Yes.
Everybody was uncomfortable. They were throwing their face. They were going. This girl was talking to me. She didn't know. And I was talking. You asked me. I was looking. Tell her what? I was looking at her. I was talking to her. Guess what? I wasn't looking at the breast. Oh, I wasn't looking at the breast.
Hey, boy, at least you have told her.
That's why I didn't tell her. Because I was looking at the breast. The only reason I knew was that she came out of the water, right? She needed to come and talk to me, so she swam from where she was to come close to me. Her friend was still talking to me, right? When she came close. So when she now came out of the water, whatever she was wearing, I don't know what it was, now fell down. So the breast now came out. So she was not supposed to drag the thing to cover the breast. But she didn't dress properly from the beginning. She knew, she was aware, right? And so the breast came out, so I saw it as it was coming out from the water. I saw it. This is real. So and I was talking to her, so immediately I saw it, I just switched from the chest. I used my eye to make sure that the chest region is no longer looked at. I just started looking at her eyes. I was talking, and I was not uncomfortable talking. And there was no skip in my conversation. Everything was still on point until her friend now swam close to her, and she wanted to talk to me also, because she was talking before this one came, and came out of the water. I saw her, and she was like, what? And called her name. I'm like, so they now rush and coupled up. I didn't care, I was okay. It does not concern me. It didn't mean anything to me. And she was so surprised that I was that straight. She was shocked to her bones. Then I just all right, I'll see you guys later. And I still talk normal and I left.